Hi, to turn on crash detection on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to find your settings first. Now scroll in this list to find section Emergency SOS, pick it, and after that you should see this feature call after severe crash. So if you're in a car crash, iPhone can automatically call emergency services. Your phone will start a countdown and sound an alarm before they call. And iPhone cannot detect all crashes. So if you want to enable crash detection, then tap on this switcher to call after severe crash. And if you decide to turn it off, then here you'll see this type of information. So like a warning. To turn off, just click here. If you got second thoughts, then you can tap leave on. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.